All right, let me give you an example of this clarity framework being used in a keynote. Actually, I'm in a couple weeks, I'm speaking out in California, and I'm going to be using this framework to go through my talk. And so I'm not going to give you the whole talk. Maybe I'll teach you how to do a keynote at some point later. But let me just show you the flow and how these 4 steps, how I move through these 4 steps while I'm delivering a keynote. So my main point is pretty simple. It's that high performance comes from being hard on yourself, and high performance for a lifetime comes from being kind to yourself. So to be a high performer, you have to be hard on yourself. To be a high performer for a lifetime, you have to learn how to be kind to yourself. That's my main point. That's one. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to stand up there and I'm going to say it. High performance, be hard on yourself, be kind to yourself. And then I'm literally going to say it. And then I'm going to play with it, which is step 2. I'm going to illustrate it and show them why it's true and show them the difference between being hard on yourself and being kind to yourself, and help them understand that, the standards you set and the goals you set is how you're hard on yourself. And then how you live out when you're not living up is about being kind to yourself. And I'm going to walk them through it. I'm going to use personal stories, historical stories. At another time, I might show you why I would choose one or the other. I'm going to give all the nuances. I'm going to help them understand it. I'm going to make it important and inspiring to them. And then when I get done, I'm going to say it again. See, guys, that's why you need to be hard on yourself for the goals you set. And that's why you need to be kind on yourself. If you want to be a high performer for a long time, that's how you have to do it. And I'm going to say some version of this. So do you guys get it? Yeah, they get it. Because I'm not teaching anything else. Now I'm into apply it. Step 4, because I just said it again. When I say it again, I go, okay, here's now what you do with it. And usually there's an inevitability, which is very clear in this particular talk, where now I can just say, now some of you need to learn how to be harder on yourself. Let me tell you how to do that. And I'm going to talk to that group of people. And then we're saying some of you need to learn how to be kinder to yourself. So let me talk to you. And then I'm going to talk to them. And then I'm going to wrap it all up. And that's how I'm going to walk through the 4. Say it, play with it. Say it again, step 3, and then apply it, step 4. I'm going to walk through that in about, I have about an hour. I'll probably do 40 minutes and then 20 minutes of Q&A at the end of it. But that's how you would navigate this in a keynote talk and still use the clarity framework.